Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Yin Hao here, and today we'll be taking a look at the Minority deck. The Minority deck comes in two colors and is meant to be an everyday worker deck for magicians and has extra features packed into it. First off, there is a tab for easy removal of the cellophane. The tuck box is matte all around and there is no tuck seal. It is a nesting box design that opens from the side. Having the box open from the side means that you can't leave the cellophane on and have to remove it completely. Let me know in the comments below if you leave the cellophane on your playing card tuck box. The front has a misspelled Minority in gold letters and the same embossed on the other side. The ad copy mentions that this misspelling is deliberate and that the missing Y represents you, the final user of the playing cards. On the side of the inner box says, "The truth is generally held by the minority," which seems to be a paraphrase of a quote by philosopher Soren Kierkegaard. There is no mention of the printer in the ad copy, but the box states that they are printed by TCC and is designed by D7C and Hui Chi. There is also a 7 of Hearts reveal embossed on one side of the tuck box. The cards feel very nice and soft, handles and fans perfectly right out of the box, and even Faros nicely. The back design is a plain solid dark blue and dark red color. The deck consists of 52 playing cards, 2 jokers, a blank face card and a duplicate 3 of Hearts. The cards all have custom faces that seem to be inspired by old French style playing cards. They are different yet familiar enough. The jokers are a tribute to the crazy man's handcuffs. There is no traditional power ace, as all aces have one large pip with no elaborate designs. If you are familiar with these types of back designs, you might know that they can be marked for suits. Instead, they have chosen to mark the ace to 4. Coupled with the unmarked 5, the idea is that you can use the ace to 5 for marked ESP type routines. However, the disadvantage is that you will need to look at more than one place to get the information that you need. The duplicate 3 of Hearts is not marked. All court cards have reviews built into them. There is the 1089 Force, time reviews, 2 of Hearts, wavy lines, etc. I will not go through all of them as these are all listed in the ad copy. A 15-minute instructional video is also provided that explains the reviews and briefly describes the routines that you can do with them. At $6.99 US, this might be a good alternative for an everyday worker deck. It might not replace your bicycle standard playing cards, but they handle very nicely, and I do like some of the reviews built into the court cards. Let me know in the comments if you have any other questions. If you found this video useful and would like to see more videos like this, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, as it also provides me the motivation to continue making more videos like this. I have just received a package from TCC and will have more reviews like this in the near future. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.